Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Trouble with Vani. Here's your friend Vanisha, and today I'm going to make laddu besan, which is super easy for me, and all I need is only 4 ingredients. It's milk, chickpeas flour, sugar, and cardamom. And now let's proceed and see how it goes. Let's do it! Firstly, I will start to make the syrup, which is half cup of water and 1 cup of sugar with the cardamom seeds. I will let it boil till it becomes thick. And second step is I will take 1.5 cup of chickpeas flour and 1 cup of milk and food color. I will give it a good mix till it becomes thick. This is the batter we need to make for the sweets. So it should be like not that too runny. It should be a bit thick. Now we'll go and fry it. Here is the syrup, it's getting ready. I will let it boil till it will be thick. It's only the water and sugar and cardamom, so I let it boil till it becomes thick. Then I will use it in the end. When it's already fried, guys. So now after this I will let it cool down a bit, give it till 15 minutes so that it cool down, then I can blend it well. Then I'm gonna show you how to make the laddus. Now let's go and blend it and make it like turn into a powder, not so much like powder, but quite okay. You'll see. Depend on how much you will fry. You don't need to blend all together. You can do it like small quantity, not all together. So I'm going slowly, small quantity. So guys, here is how it should be after frying it and blending it. So it's become like this. Now I'm gonna put the syrup and combine all together and make some round shape. Then the laddu is done. So guys, here's my laddu besan ready to eat. This is the simplest way ever I can show you how I make my own laddu besan at home. If you want, you can try it. For sure, try it at home and let me know if you like it. And till then, wait for my next video. Take care, stay safe, bye.